Hello, beautiful souls. Please excuse my voice. I lost my voice when I got really, really ill. I had the flu, but I think I had a different kind of strain of flu because I was out of commission for like 2 weeks. It was really, really bad with high fever for 4 days, and I lost my voice, completely lost my voice. So it's slowly coming back. It's actually going to be a month because I got sick right after Thanksgiving. I'm surprised my voice is not completely back, but it is coming back. And I wanted to share a few things that I created. And I'm going to try to make this as quickly as possible. I used Ida's from Created to Create tutorial to make a backpack. I wanted to make them for my granddaughters and feel goodies for them for the holidays. Here's one of them. Look how cute. This is a stamp that I colored and paper pieced, and then I scanned it in so I don't have to keep doing it over and over again. So this came in handy because this was already done for me. And I used some of the Stamperia Sweetie for these elements here. This I got from the internet, and this cookie I made. And it was really easy to put together. I kind of made a boo-boo because I forgot to tuck in the straps behind this paper before I glue it down. I ended up gluing it down first, so I just added strips here to cover that. I think it still came out okay. And then I used a bow to keep it closed. This is what I'm using as my closure to tie it. So you can see. I'm just going to add some sweet goodies to that. I'm actually going to add sweet goodies to all of them. So there's one. Here's another one. And I'm using paper scraps from my stash. This new year coming up, I want to craft my stash, and I want to craft my scraps also. So here's the other one. And here's the third one. So that's the back of all of them. This is so cute. I love the little girl with the 2 ponytails. The poofy ponytails, they're so cute. Okay, so that's that. I will link her tutorial in the description area. So if you want to make one, you can, because you make this with no dies. This is from scratch, and it was super easy, guys. It's really super easy. So here I created a mini album. I actually created 2, but I'm going to show you this one first, and then I'll show you the other one after. You know, I'm on a budget, so wherever I can create something to gift, I will. So this is going to one of my family members, and here I used the pink Christmas paper that I actually scanned it and printed out, and I've had it printed for quite some time, so I wanted to use it up. And here I made this tassel, this bow tassel. It's really shabby. Even these were like using scraps. You can use scraps to make this little tattered bow. And then here's the back. There I used the magnets for the interactive pages, and I used a bow here because I forgot to put a magnet. So there's no magnet here either. So just to let you know, and I also use Anna Griffin dies. This is my own digital paper. These roses you see here, I've incorporated here. I've also incorporated throughout the pages. That's how I embellished it. And what else? I think that was it. So I'm just gonna flip through this for you guys. So this album is about a 5x7, and the spine is about 3.25 inches wide. It is pretty thick there. And there goes the top. Okay, now I'll show you the other album, which is also for a family member. This one is more of a little bit of a square rectangle, and the spine is much smaller on this one. And I used, again, Anna Griffin dies here. This is Anna Griffin Sentiment, and I used her flowers to decorate the front. And I wanted to share that if you don't have magnets to make a mini album when you have interactive pages, you don't need it. I used ribbon and I used lace for closures on this one throughout, and you will see that. And there you have it, the mini albums and the little backpacks. It felt good making the mini albums. I haven't made these for years. I think I'm gonna make more of these because it gets rid of a lot of your paper stash, and I want to get rid of the ones that I currently have. And I have really old ones that I'm always late to the party. When I buy stuff, I'm late to the party. When I finally make something out of it, I'm late to the party. So it is what it is. So these are my project shares. This is what I have left over, so I'm going to include that in case she wants to embellish in front of the pictures. She can. So I'm hoping to create new things in this new coming year other than paper crafting, because I do love other craft mediums. And I also want to do new things with paper crafting as well. I will continue creating embellishments and things like that, but I also want to do new things with paper crafting. I wish you prosperity, joy, peace, and most of all, love in this new coming year. I wish you all well-being and good health. Let's share, be fair, be filled with love, and love one another. Take good care, everybody.